Shanti. Guys, let's see which is beneficial to us, gym or yoga. Gym is muscle oriented, whereas yoga is overall strength, balance of body, and integration of body parts oriented. Gym makes our body stubborn and plastic, whereas yoga makes our body flexible and more immune. No importance is given to breathing in gym, whereas in yoga, breathing is a key. It increases prana. After gym, you will feel exhausted, whereas after yoga, you will feel rejuvenated and enthusiastic. Gym needs instrument, but for yoga, it doesn't need any instrument. Gym makes our orientation more towards shape and size of muscles, whereas yoga makes our orientation towards the control of mind and muscles. Approach in gym is to build physical strength of the body, whereas yoga's approach to build strength of mind, body and soul too. Gym is at the level of increasing our muscle power with physical workout, whereas yoga is at the level of Ashtanga Yoga. It includes Yam Niyam Asam, Pranayam Pratyahar, Dharana Dhyan and Samadhi. Gym approach to develop muscles, increasing the strength of actin and myosin complex of the muscles, whereas yoga's approach is the holistic way of living. It considers earth, water, fire, space and air as a Pancha Mahabhut by which body is built. Once you get busy with your career and profession, you won't get time for gym and you will leave the gym and put on weight. Whereas yoga is a way of life. You will always continue and would like to continue the same. Gym is developed recently, 150 years ago, whereas yoga is very ancient, 5000 plus years ago. Yoga is from Upanishads time. Heavy gymmer may develop uncontrolled impulses and that may cause accidents on the road, whereas yoga is calmness, controlled mind, bliss, peace. Uncontrolled gym may cause sympathetic nervous system to get activated, whereas yoga activates parasympathetic nervous system and that cool down the body. Gym is artificial, yoga is natural. Once you leave the gym, your muscles will be pounded with fat, but yoga you will always would like to continue. Gym need proper place. Yoga can be done anywhere. Gym needs cost. Yoga is free. Last but not least, somebody in gym will always force you to take protein supplements to build the muscles. This may cause damage of kidney. Whereas in yoga, you need just natural food.
Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.